So what is effective team development? We believe team development encompasses three things. Number one, the assessment and understanding of a team's current strengths and gaps, or strengths and improvement needs. Now, most teams don't get a chance to step back and look at themselves and say, where are we good? Where do we need to make improvements? Because they're so busy on projects or programs. So what we help them do is get a moment to do that. And it often just takes a little bit of time and organization to have them assess and then give them the data back about where their strengths lie, where the improvement needs lie. That's number one. Number two is when they get that back, is helping them make an informed decision about what would be the most effective goal for them to set to work on. Very often teams will pick something that will help the entire team. Communication skills, how they resolve conflict. Sometimes they'll pick just team building in general because they haven't really gotten to know or build those relationships. Other times they'll pick something specific like problem solving and decision making. Once they've, again, determined the strengths, determined the improvement needs, and agreed on what they want to work on, then third is coming together and making that happen. Setting a time and a place to do offsite training where they can all get to practice together. Because as you know, in sports, team practice is what happens before the big events. So in the corporate world or in organizations, very often they don't get a chance to practice. So we bring structured programs in for them to practice those areas that will make them more effective. The result, very often, they want more. So we often have seen, for example, one organization have 3 sessions each year, 1 session a year for 3 years. And word got around in the building that, hey, we want some of that. So the teams that perform together, practice together, and then work on the areas they want to improve are the teams that exceed and excel. So be happy to have that conversation with you.